I'm Brooke, and today I'm going to be showing you how to sublimate stickers using our WALASub sticker sheets. You're going to need a sublimation printer, a heat press, a vinyl cutter, and then these WALASub sticker sheets. The way this works is this is actually an adhesive vinyl, and you'll print your sublimation as you would normally, just regular sublimation transfer, and you will actually be pressing this sublimation onto the sticker sheets. So a couple of things you need to know when you're working with these sublimation stickers. When cutting the vinyl, you're actually not going to mirror your image. You're going to cut it right reading, and you're going to do a contour cut around your image. So for example, this is what I'm going to be doing these stickers, and our cut image is actually slightly larger and outline around your printed transfer. And this is not mirrored, but your sublimation transfer is mirrored. So first, this is our WALASub sticker sheet. It comes in 13 by 19, 11 by 17, or 8.5 by 11. What you're gonna wanna do is just trim any excess vinyl away from your cut. And you can definitely save your scraps and use those for later. And then you're gonna want to weed away the excess vinyl, so everything going around. Okay, so now we have all of the excess vinyl removed, and all that remains is just our cut shapes for the stickers. And then I've already trimmed up my sublimation transfer paper, but I am gonna go and do it a little bit closer to the images, just so there's more room to see what's going on. So once you have your paper pretty much trimmed just so you're around the design that you're doing, then you're gonna be good to press. So I'm just putting a piece of craft paper down first. You could definitely use that if you have it. Otherwise, some people use wax paper or just a heat press sheet. Then you're gonna want to line up your design as best as you can. And I'm just gonna tape that down to one of the edges. Okay, and then you're gonna press at 380 for 30 seconds. And you don't need a lot of pressure. If they stick to the top of your platen, it's definitely okay. And then sometimes they will curl up a little bit, but it's an easy fix. You just put something heavy on there, like make sure they stay flat. So you just peel off your sublimation paper from the stickers, and voila. So super vibrant, as you can tell. This was the sublimation transfer, and then this is the final stickers. Any shape. You don't need to cut your sticker sheet if you don't want to. If you just want a solid rectangle, go right ahead. But we're just gonna put it on a nice frosted mug here. So then when you're gonna be taking the sticker off, you just have to peel it up and place it on your blank. These are great for laptops. People put stickers on their water bottles, or you can just trim around the sticker and sell them as stickers. So if you're looking to make stickers yourself at home, and you have a sublimation printer and a heat press, then this WALASub sticker sheet is a great idea as a way for you to get your stickers. All right, awesome. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.